to my channel, Lady T's Things That Bling and DIYs. Well, as you can see today, I'm going to be talking about Valentine's Day baskets. And is Valentine's Day just for women? Or can men get baskets too? Well, let's check it out. So you can see most of the items that I have on my table are from the Dollar Tree. And because I don't have a lot of room, I spread them all out. So this is some bath salt, and it smells so good for it to only be $1. I just want to spread it around my house because that's how good it smells. As you can see, I had the lip balm and I have some socks. All of these are from the Dollar Tree. I also have a teddy bear over there, some bath scrunchies. I call them scrunchies. Rhonda always tells me they're not called scrunchies, but that's what I call them. I have some razors for shaving. And we also have some shower gel, a nice mirror, and a mask that I made. And some nail polish. I thought that was cute, the little 4-piece nail polish. It's the first time I saw that in Dollar Tree. And later on you're going to see that I have some nail polish remover that is a pump. And so you don't have to pour it out of the bottle. You can pump it onto your sponge. Right here I'm just trying to fill the basket because that basket from the Dollar Tree is very deep. And I just want my items to sit up in the basket. Little Bear is still too low, so I'm just putting the rest of the shredded stuff in there. And it's still not enough, so you're going to see me put in a floral, whatever you call it. There we go. A floral foam. Couldn't get it together. So that gave it some height. And of course, you know you have to have the balloon. And I probably should have cut that a little bit so it wouldn't be sitting so high. But the bear looks happy. So there's the scrunchie. I decided to use the purple one. I think that is so pretty. And that is the shower gel. These items smell good. Dollar Tree has really upped their game. I promise you they have. That bath salt right there smells so good. So those are one of the pairs of socks that I'm putting in there. Again, from the Dollar Tree. And they are super, super soft. A mirror from the Dollar Tree. And of course, my mask I'm putting in there. I do have the tumbling tower blocks in the background because I was going to do a project before I decided to do this one. I am so not a decorator, you guys. That nail polish right there is from the Dollar Tree. Amazing. 4 different colors. Yes, the bottles are small, but come on now. 4 different colors for $1. That's amazing. Dollar Tree has decided to up their game, and I appreciate it. That is the nail polish remover that I was talking about. It's a pump. You don't have to pour it out. It's a pump. And I'm telling you, I was so excited about that. I've never seen that before in the Dollar Tree, so that definitely is a new item. So this is the basket, but I decided I wanted to put one of my cups in there. I have so many of them sitting around because of the pandemic, haven't been able to go to any shows. So I have a lot of my cups sitting around. I decided to just put that in the basket. The man has a big mug in his. Why can't she have a cup in hers? I'm just saying. No shade. Rhonda may come in and rearrange this basket for me today. But it is what it is. Because I don't know how to decorate. Oh. I know you guys are saying, where's the candy? There's no room for the candy. I think that little bear is so cute. He doesn't want to stick, so I just put a little bit of hot glue on him so he can sit. Sit right there. Sit there, little bear. This video was being filmed at night, so I guess the little bear wants to go to sleep. He wants to keep jumping off of the bath beads. So I'm just going to sprinkle some candy in there. I'm probably going to go back and put some candy in there, but I have to go to the store. I got those big bags from the Dollar Tree. Everything in that basket, everything in that basket came from the Dollar Tree. And you see that item back there, it's a head massager. Every one of these items came from the Dollar Tree. Except for the cup. Let me go back. Except for the cup that I made. That wasn't a Dollar Tree item. So here, I'm using the giant bags from the Dollar Tree that are used for baskets and such. And I got this love ribbon. I don't remember. I have no idea where I got that ribbon from, but I've had it for about a couple of years. But it fits well for this project. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I do apologize for my voice. But I was able to make this video. So I want to thank you so far for 925 subscribers, I should say. Welcome to my family, Lady T's Things That Bling and DIY videos. Thank you so much for joining me. As we continue on this road to 1,000 plus subscribers, I'm very excited. Very, very excited. So that is the finished product for a woman or a little girl. A little girl could use that as well, minus the razor blades. And there you go. You have the ladies' basket as well as the man's basket. I have not wrapped the man's up because the mug is so heavy. I just can't wrap it right now. But if somebody wants it to order it, I will wrap it. And teams are optional. I just did the Eagles because I'm from Philadelphia and that's our team, and it's optional. My husband wanted me to put those two in there for whatever his reason is, and that's a mask that I did for the Eagles champions when they won the Super Bowl, and everything's trying to match green, green, green. Yes, I made that a man can use to put his food on during football or whatever he wants to do with it. And again, the items on each basket are completely optional. We don't discriminate with teams. If you like the former Redskins, we could do that. We can do basketball. We can do hockey. We can do baseball. Whatever sport that you would like to put on the mug. And guess what? It really doesn't even have to be a sport. It could be something else, your husband or your man or your boo or whomever you would be giving it to, your dad. They might want something else. You might want something else on the tray for them. It does not have to be a sports team, but it can still be a decked out mug, maybe with some pictures on it. We can do that too. Alright, well, this is the end of the video. I thank you again so much for watching. Please excuse my hoarse voice. I think they're both lovely.